Welcome back to Future Cars Updates. Today, we're diving into something truly unbelievable, the 2026 Bugatti Motorhome. Yes, you heard that right. Bugatti, the legendary name behind hypercars like the Chiron and the Veyron, is stepping into the world of luxury motorhomes. And as you can imagine, it's not your typical RV. This is a motorhome that blends Bugatti's unmatched performance heritage with the ultimate in comfort and luxury. From the outside, the 2026 Bugatti Motorhome looks like something straight out of a science fiction movie. It's sleek, aerodynamic, and aggressively styled, featuring signature Bugatti elements like the horseshoe grille and flowing lines. The body is made from lightweight carbon fiber, keeping weight low without compromising on strength. LED lighting wraps around the frame, giving it a futuristic presence both day and night. Under the hood, yes, it has one worth talking about. It's rumored to carry a hybrid powertrain inspired by the Bugatti tourbillon concept. Expect a quad-turbocharged V8 engine paired with an advanced electric motor setup. This isn't just for speed, though. Bugatti says it's about delivering effortless cruising power, excellent fuel efficiency for a vehicle this size, and the smoothest ride imaginable. On the highway, the Bugatti Motorhome can easily outpace many sports cars, making it the fastest luxury RV in the world. Step inside, and you'll feel like you've entered a five-star hotel on wheels. The interior is crafted with the finest materials: Italian leather, polished wood, brushed aluminum, and even customizable ambient lighting. The driver's cockpit is fully digital with a massive curved OLED display, voice control, and even an AI co-pilot for route suggestions and safety monitoring. The living area features a full kitchen with smart appliances, a convertible lounge space, and a luxury bathroom with a rainfall shower. There's also a bedroom at the rear with a king-size bed, smart glass windows, and climate control. Bugatti has made sure this motorhome offers the perfect balance between tech, comfort, and exclusivity. But it doesn't stop there. The 2026 Bugatti Motorhome includes features like a retractable outdoor deck, solar panels on the roof for extra power, and a self-leveling suspension system so it stays stable wherever you park it. And of course, it comes with advanced driving assistance systems and 360-degree cameras for easy maneuvering. Bugatti says only a limited number of these motorhomes will be produced, with each one being hand-built and fully customizable. The price? Reports suggest it will start around $3 million, putting it in a league of its own. But for the ultra-wealthy who want the performance of a hypercar and the comfort of a luxury villa, this might just be the ultimate dream vehicle. That's all for today. What do you think about the 2026 Bugatti Motorhome? Would you ever want to own one? Or is this just an insane fantasy? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to Future Cars Updates for more wild concepts and upcoming releases. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.